Fergus, Philip, and the foghorn. So Salty, where's this delivery going? Well, just take it to Knapford and they should tell you where it goes from there. This is very important. That foghorn's gonna tell everyone when Fog's around. Okay, got. Morning, Fergus. Morning, Stephanie. Morning, Caroline. Bye, Molly. Oh, yes, the foghorn is here. That is so great. We've been needing that on the main line. The main line? But where? We're going to put it on a siding around the main line. For now, I guess I'll just take it to the shunting yard. No, Rosie, you can go take a break. I got it. All right, Philip, if you say so. So you're gonna take the foghorn? Or, no. So, Steve, Gordon has been getting real bossy lately. So I'm thinking we should prank him. I've broken the rules before. I don't think we should do that. Oh, come on. It'll be great. Come on, please. I guess. Yes, let's go. Where should I go? Just down the main line. I'll show you. Oh, sorry, Molly. You're fine. Perfect. Now, when Gordon's coming down the Rhine, you'll have to stop for the foghorn and be delayed. We don't want him to be delayed. That wouldn't be great. No. Trust me. We want him to be delayed. Then he'll learn to stop picking on us, because we'll tell him, well, we did this to make him learn a lesson. Well, I guess if you put it that way. Yeah, come on. Okay, Gordon, your express is ready to go. And Toby, do you need anything? Just the passengers to get on. Great. Well, sorry, Philip. I'm still cleaning up. Yeah, I can see that. Where did you put that foghorn? Oh, we decided Sir Topham Hatt wanted it at Wellsworth. Huh. Okay. Whew. And that's why I think I should get rid of the foghorn. You should. Gordon won't be able to stop. He'll probably derail. What? Yeah, you definitely should move. I gotta get going. Thanks, guys. Of course. Why am I at the diesel works? What was Fergus going on the main line for? No idea. You better get out of my way, because the express is coming! The foghorn! Wait, what? Gordon, you have to stop the express! Why, Philip? Because you're gonna hit Fergus. Whew, we put the cars on the wrong thing. I'll just take them back to the dog. Whoa! Oh no, the points were set wrong. I'm gonna have to go back! Oh no. Come on, Toad, let's take all of these to Victor, just in case they're broken. Right, Mr. Oliver? I'm so sorry, Gordon. I really didn't mean for this to happen. Well, it did. Maybe you shouldn't be leaving stuff on the main line. It's the main line. Why would you even leave it? I'm especially sorry to you, Fergus. I shouldn't have made you join in on that prank. It's fine, but could you get Rocky back here? Oh my gosh, they forgot you. Well, Philip, thanks for admitting everything. And it sounds like you've learned your lesson. Yeah, I have, sir. And I'm sorry again, Fergus. It's fine. Great. Bill, can you get him to the steamworks? Yes, sir. Well, I definitely learned that pulling pranks isn't always the smartest thing to do. That's right. Now, come on, Elizabeth. Let's roll. Well, I think that covers it. Yep, there's nothing else to. Here's James.